Hello, 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 Kilmer heads. It's just a quick channel update here. We're growing fast here, faster than I ever anticipated. So it's time for me to make some decisions. I know you're here for the Scotty debunkings, but some of you want me to touch on some other topics and some other channels. So I'm putting a poll up here. Please take the 5 seconds, answer if you want me to expand out or just stick with good old Uncle Scotty. Also, I got a dumb little shirt up. If you want to buy it, check the link below in the description. And also, I'm thinking of doing a live Q&A here, so we can just, chat about Kilmer, cars, life, anything else. I know you guys are a working bunch, so I'll try to have it in the evening, but not too late, or on a Sunday before the game starts. So, thanks a ton for everything. You guys watch, you guys comment, you guys like the video, which means the world to me. I really appreciate it. I never thought I'd, get this much support from a stupid little channel about a YouTube mechanic, so I really appreciate it. Keep it up. I'll talk to you later. New videos coming soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.